Welcome back to our classes. In the last period, we start the third lesson of chemistry, which is matter. Okay, so we start the third lesson, matter. So in previous period, we discussed about the types of the matters. These are the living, non-living, natural, man-made matters. Okay, and from that discussions we conclude that everything that are present in our environments is called matters. Okay, so today we discuss the next point, nature of matter. Okay, see, from above it is clear that there are the different kinds of matter with different properties. Okay, जो हमने डिस्कस किया, लिविंग थिंग, नॉन लिविंग थिंग, मैटर्स, मैड मैटर्स. सो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि एवरी थिंग्स हैज़ अ डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. सो इट इज़ ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑल फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर occupy the space and have a definite mass. Okay, every things have occupy the space. If you put the duster on a table, then what happened? The duster has a specific shape, and these dusters occupy the space on the table. So that have a definite mass also. So anything that has mass and occupy the space is called matter. So matter can be perceived by our senses, that it is something that we can see, touch, taste or smells. So the word materials is derived from matters. These are derived from matter. And the space, हम यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि the matters occupy the space. Space means what's their volume. Okay, it's the volume. The space occupied by matter is also called volume. So while the surface occupied is called its area. It's called its area. So see, first, matter occupying the space. So how we conclude that the matter occupy the space? So some experiments are given here on that page. See, matter occupying the space, this can be proved by the following experiments. See, in the first activity, see, take a glass tumbler and place it in a glass bowl. Fill the tumbler completely with water. Take a small stone and tie it with a thread. Lower the stone gently into the water. See, उन्होंने क्या किया है देखो. Take a one glass tumbler, one glass of tumbler, and place it in a glass bowl. एक ग्लास बॉल लिया है, उसमें उनने उनको खड़ा किया. ओके, प्लेस इट इन बाउल्स. सो फिल दिस टम्बलर विथ कंप्लीटली विद द वाटर्स. ये पूरा यहाँ पे उसके एज तक फिलअप करना है वाटर से. देन यू हैव टू टेक स्मॉल स्टोन एंड यू हैव टू टाई अप विथ अ thread, and take that stones, lower the stone gently into the water. Okay, that lower the stone gently into that water that present in the glass. So what you observe, that you will see that some water flows out of the tumbler and collect in the bowl. ये यहाँ से flows होंगे और बाउल्स में collect होगा water. ओके, क्यों होगा आपने कभी सोचा है? द लेवल ऑफ वाटर इन द टम्बलर्स कम डाउन. नाउ pour the water collected in the bowl back into the tumbler. ये जो पानी वहाँ बाहर गिरा है ना, वो फिर से हमें टम्बलर में डालना है. क्या होगा? इट अगेन फिल अप. मीन्स what happened? This is because the stone occupy the space. स्टोन ने भी कुछ स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है. ओके, सो देयरफॉर ड्राइव द वाटर आउट ऑफ द टम्बलर. आप घर पे देखो करके, सिंपल एक्सपेरिमेंट से. ओके, सो यू हैव टू टेक वन टम्बलर दैट फिल अप विद द वाटर, you have to place the stone that tie up with the thread. Okay, so you observe that some water flows out of the tumblers. Okay, so that experiments prove that not only solid but liquid also occupy the space. hmm? Stone is this in solid states, so that's when you put into the glass, it flow the water out. Okay, because it take the place inside the tumblers. But what happen with liquid also pour out. So that's why when you again it pour in the tumbler, the tumblers again fill, means we can conclude that the liquid also have space. Okay, liquid को भी space है. Say next activity. From that activities, see, take an inverted empty glass tumbler and lower it vertically downward in a tub of water. You will observe that the level of water inside the tumbler is lower compared to the water outside. See, you have to take the tub of water, okay, tray of water. In that the water is present. You have to invert the glass of tumbler. So this is glass. Okay. So when this is because air is trapped within the glass. यह जो ग्लास में एयर से ना, देखो क्या होता है, you will observe that the level of water inside the tumbler is lower than the compare water outside. Than the compare outside. So this is because air is trapped in the glass. अगर आप उसको थोड़ा सा टिल्ट करते हैं ग्लास को, तो क्या होगा, bubbles is come out. So which does not allow the water in the tumbler to raise. Now gently tilt the glass tumbler to one side. Now bubble rush out and the water flows into tumbler. जैसे आप उसको टिल्ट करेंगे क्या होगा, यहाँ से जो वाटर से एयर बबल्स निकलेंगे और वाटर्स come enter into the glass. Okay, so this proves that air, which is also matter, occupy the space. Means from above experiment we conclude that water means liquid and solids occupy the space. So and from that experiments we conclude that the air also occupy the space. So this is experiments prove that the matter occupy the space. What matter occupy the space?